Freshology is my new diet that I'm on, and it's actually really freaking good.
Kendra.
And that's my trainer!
Hi. Thanks, you should wear this.
Alright, let's try that. Is it a bulletproof vest? What is it?
That's what I said when he was wearing it.
You know what? You might be able to stop a bullet, but you won't be able to run away from it.
Okay.
It's like that's what Hank has to
You wear this for the workout video?
Okay.
Here's what I eat.
Just cut to the fresh.
Oh, not the spaghetti right there. I don't know. This is Freshology. And there's peas. And there's orange juice.
And baby milk.
And there's milk. And for dessert, caramel apple square. What the f is a caramel apple square? Let's see what a caramel apple square looks like.
That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle.
Oh, that's a rectangle. Yeah.
That's not a square. That is that.
What the f?
That's it.
What the f is that?
That's it. No, that can't be it. That looks like illegal substances.
What is that? Trees?
That's illegal substances in your fridge.
That's like dog biscuits.
Dog biscuits. Let's try the dog. Let's try these cookies.
Those cookies. Is that good?
Uh-oh. I'm about to throw up.
Well, she didn't like that one.
Eat this. No, I want to eat this.
Okay.
Eat it. Eat it. Just eat it.
Delicious. That's.
But
I'm never gonna get an endorsement from Freshology right here, right?
can I have breakfast for dinner, please? Can I have breakfast for dinner?
What is it?
It's eggs.
Yes.
No, I don't want I love it. Really good.
I love Freshology.
It's like the lowest calorie thing you can eat.